Given that p vector plus q vector is equal to r and r vector is perpendicular to p, if magnitude of p and magnitude of r are equal, then what is the angle between p and q? So in any question, if they given this word perpendicular, then always just draw a right angle triangle. So what we'll do is we'll just draw a right angle triangle over here. So in this right angle triangle, it is given that p plus q is r and r is perpendicular to p. That means if I am taking this as r, definitely this should be equal to p. Now the equation is p plus q is equal to r. That means if you are going for p vector plus q vector, the resultant should be equal to r vector, and resultant should be in the opposite order as that of p vector and q vector. So if I am taking the order in this direction, that's why this r is coming in the opposite direction, and angle between them is nothing but 90 degree. Now if magnitude of p is equal to r, so both are having same magnitude, then what is the angle between p and q? So we know that if their magnitude is same, definitely this angle will be equal to 45 degree, and this angle should also be equal to 45 degree because the length of p and length of r are same. So Rm is to find out the angle between p and q. Now some students will feel that this is the angle between p and q. This is not the angle between p and q, because angle between two vectors is angle between them when their tails or when their heads are connected. Over here this is the head of p vector and tail of q vector, so this is not the angle between them. So to find out the angle between p and q, what we'll do is we'll just extend this p vector. So if you are extending this p vector, we know that if a vector is displaced parallel to itself, it will not make any difference to that. So now this p vector, and now we just attach the tail of p to the tail of q. So this should be the angle between them. So this angle we can take it as 180 minus 45, that is equal to 135. Now we can write this 135 in terms of pi, which is 3 pi divided by 4, because we know that 3 into pi is nothing but 180 degree divided by 4, and 180 by 4 is nothing but 45. So 45 into 3 will get us 135. So this can be written as 3 pi by 4.